Hi, I'm Meg Sechon here at InterSolar North America in San Francisco, California. Here with me today is Sunny Ray, Regional Vice President of Intertech. Welcome, Sunny.
Thank you.
Now, your company provides certification and testing for photovoltaics and other renewables. How is this an advantage for key players in the industry?
Well, I think there's a certain requirements, regulatory requirements that you need to be in compliance with before you can actually sell your products from regulatory perspective. But then in addition to that, there's also certain performance criteria that you're trying to prove to the industry before you take your product out to the market. Mm-hmm. So all our services are geared towards meeting the regulatory compliance requirements, as well as doing some performance and reliability testing to show how the product performs in real life out there.
Mm-hmm. Now, where have you seen the most demand for testing, and how has it affected your business strategy?
Oh, I think recently the demand have changed more from regulatory compliance to more towards performance and reliability. Mm-hmm. One of the big terms that's happening these days is what we call bankability testing. So we're starting to do a more and more testing to show the performance of the product, how it performs under different weather conditions, under different environmental conditions. So more of our testing is now geared towards performance testing and bankability testing.
Now, do financiers look for these types of certifications, and do you find investment is gained more easily with them?
Absolutely. I think that's exactly where the bankability testing has a significant advantage over the regulatory compliance, because every product manufacturer cannot take their product to the market unless they meet the regulatory compliance requirements, which everybody meets. That's like the minimum standards that everybody have already met. What the financiers and the insurance underwriters and everybody's looking for is that long-term ROI, the performance. Mm-hmm. And that's where the bankability testing that I was talking about, where the whole testing business is moving towards, is what we've been providing, and that's exactly what the financial companies and all the insurance underwriters are looking for these days.
Mm-hmm. Now, do you see any stark contrast between the quality of overseas panels compared to American-made?
Nothing specific, but we do the testing, and most of our test results are very publicly available. When it comes to the meeting the minimum requirements of the standards, and because the industry feels there is a difference, that's why the whole testing business is moving towards doing the performance verification, doing those type of tests. From our perspective, we don't try to make that determination, but we just let the tests speak for themselves.
Okay, well, thanks so much for being here, and enjoy the rest of the show.
Thank you.